Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science, that is electricity. This is unit test paper number 4. So let us answer the unit test paper number 4. The first question is, keeping the potential difference constant, the resistance of the circuit is odd. It is made into off. The current will become. So as the resistance decreases, definitely current will increases. So let us see. They have given 1/4, 4 times of double. So ಈಗ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. What is the relationship between current and resistance? So current is inversely proportional to resistance. That means as current increases, resistance decreases, or as current decreases, resistance increases. So now let us see whether it will become 1/4 or it become 4 times or it becomes that is half or double. So now first question. So resistance will become off. If the resistance will become off, what about the current? So current is inversely proportional to resistance. So that is I is equal to 1 divided by 1 by 2. That is 1 into 2 by 1. That is equal to 2. Therefore, as resistance become off, the current will get doubled. That is option D. Answer is double. Now let us move for second question. So second question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, the heating element of an electric iron is made up of dash copper, nichrome, aluminum, iron. So heating element is made up of option B, that is nichrome. Option B, nichrome is the right answer. Now let us move second main, that is question number 3. So question number 3 is, which metal has the low resistivity? So among all the metal, which is the metal that have low resistivity? That is silver. Therefore silver is a best conductor. Then fourth question, what is the relationship between current and resistance? So current and resistance relation is, current is inversely proportional to resistance. Now let us move for third main, question number 5. Why does the cord of an electric heater not glow while the heating element does? So let us answer for this question. So the cord of an electric heater, it is made up of metal. So it has low resistivity. It has low resistivity and high conductivity. It has low resistivity and high conductivity. Whereas the heating element, so heating element is made up of, nichrome. Usually it is made of nichrome. It is made of nichrome, which has high resistivity, and do not oxidize easily at high temperature. So this is what we have to answer for fifth question. Now let us move for the sixth one. An electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. So 30 seconds ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು heat develop ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ let us calculate now. So let us move for the sixth question. So an electric iron of resistance 20 ohm, R is equal to 20 ohm, takes a current of 5 ampere. I is equal to 5 ampere. So time is equal to 30 seconds. Now let us calculate the heat developed. So H is equal to I square RT. H heat developed is equal to I square is 5 square into R is 20 into time is 30. So heat developed is equal to 5 square become 25 into 20 into 30. So H is equal to, so 1 2 0, two zeros are there, 25 twos are 50, 50 is 0, 5 is there, then 5 threes are become 15. It will be equal to 15,000 joules. So 15,000 joules of heat is generated. So now how voltmeter and ammeter is connected in a circuit. So ammeter, how ammeter and voltmeter is connected. So ammeter, it is always connected in series, and voltmeter, it is always connected in parallel. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Ammeter always in series and voltmeter always in parallel. Now let us move for question number 8. So in question number 8 they have given how can how can 3 of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected to give a total resistance of one is 4 ohm, another one is 1 ohm. ಸೊ ಒಟ್ಟು 3 ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ, 2 ಓಮು, 3 ಓಮು, 6 ಓಮು. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 4 ಓಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಓಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 4 ಓಮ್ and 1 ohm. So first let us see to get 4 ohm how they are connected. So this is so now I am connecting that is 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistors in parallel with 2 ohm resistor in series. ಸೊ ಎರಡನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಈಗ 3 ಓಮ್ 6 ಓಮ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1/RP is equal to 1/3 plus 1/6. ಸೊ 1/RP is equal to 3ಗೆ 6ಗೆ LCM 6, 3 ones ಆದಲ್ಲಿ 2s, 6 ones ಆದಲ್ಲಿ 1s. So 1/RP is equal to 2 plus 1 by 6. 1/RP is equal to 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos. Reciprocal RP. Reciprocal 2 ohm. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ when these two are connected in parallel, the total resistance will be 2 ohm. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ RS is equal to ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 2. So total RS is equal to 4 ohm. So to get 4 ohm resistance, so 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel with 2 ohm in series. So 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected. 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel with 2 ohm in series. So this is the combination of series and parallel. So now this is for first one. Let us move for the second one. So to get 1 ohm, we have to get 1 ohm. So to get 1 ohm resistance, all the 3 resistors are connected in parallel. All the 3 resistors. This is a 2 ohm resistor. This is a 3 ohm resistor and this is 6 ohm resistor. So 1/RP is equal to 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/6. So 1/RP is equal to, for 2, 3 and 6, 6 is the LCM. In 2 ones are 3s, 3 ones are 2s, 6 ones are 1s. That is equal to 6 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6 ones. that is equal to 1 by 1. Reciprocal Rp, reciprocal 1. Therefore, to get 1 ohm resistance, all the three resistors are connected in parallel. All the resistors are connected in parallel. So this is how to answer for, that is eighth one. Now let us move for the ninth question. In the ninth question, they have given the value of current I flowing in a given circuit for the corresponding values of the potential difference V across the resistor are given below. I given, V given. For this one, we have to plot a graph between V and I and calculate the resistance of that resistor. So let us calculate it now. So let us draw the graph for voltage versus current. So voltage in y-axis and current in x-axis. So let us start from if the current is 0.5 ampere, then the voltage will be 1.6. So current 0.5, voltage 1.6. We have to mark here. Then if the current is 1 ampere, then the voltage will be 3.4. Current 1 ampere, voltage 3.4. After 3 you have to put for 4 line. If the current is 2 ampere, then the voltage will be that is 6.7. So current to 2 ampere idre 2 ampere, voltage will be 6.7. After 6 you have to mark for 7 lines. Then if the current is 3 ampere, then the voltage will be 10.2. So current to 3 ampere, voltage 10.2. After 10 you have to mark for 2 lines. If the current is 4 ampere, then the voltage will be 13.2 volts. Current to 4 ampere, voltage 13.2. After 13, you have to mark for 2 lines. So like this, we have to mark it and you have to join all the lines. All the points. So, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So, let us join all the points. So if we join the points, we are getting the straight line like this. So ಈ ತರ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ, ಸೊ ಇದು ವಿ ಬೈ ಐ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ವಿ ಬೈ ಐ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ನಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, so that is Ohm's law. V by I is constant, and the name of that constant V by I is called resistance. So the name of that constant is resistance. Ega now calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. So what will be the values of V by I? So in the first question, in the first reading they have given I is equal to 0.5 ampere and voltage is equal to 1.6 volts. So R is equal to V by I. So R is equal to V is 1.6 divided by 0.5. So it will become 16. It will become 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. 1 make to 5 2s are 10. So resistance will be equal to 3.2 ohm. Then second one, I is equal to 1 ampere and voltage will be equal to 3.4 4 volts. So R is equal to V by I. So V is 3.4 divided by 1.0. So that is equal to 3.4 ohm. Then the third reading, I is equal to 2 ampere and voltage will be equal to 6.7 volts. R is equal to V by I. So V is 6.7 divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. It will become 3.3 ohms. Then fourth one. So if the current is equal to 3 ampere, then voltage will be equal to 10.2 volts. R is equal to V by I. So V is 10.2 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 3.4 ohms. Then I is equal to 4 ampere and V is equal to 13.2 volts. R is equal to V by I. So V andre 13.2 divided by I andre 4. So 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12 is equal to 3.3 ohms. So ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 or 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲದರೊಳಗೂ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಬೈ ಐ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ ವಿ ಬೈ ಐ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನಾವು ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಇಂದ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ 10th question, and that is the last question of this paper. So what is the statement, what is the meaning of the statement, the potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt? Why voltmeter has high resistance? Then what is the resistance of the conductor? What is electric power? Write 3 formulae used to find it. So one day question alli so many sub questions are there. So let us answer those sub questions now. So first question, what is the meaning of the statement the potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt? So it means that 1 joule of work is done. It means that 1 joule of work done in moving or in bringing 1 coulomb, in bringing 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another. So first question finished. Second one, why voltmeter has high resistance? So why the voltmeter should have high resistance? So let us see why the voltmeter should have high resistance. So the answer for this question, because to draw negligible current, from the circuit. So this is for second sub question. Third question, what is the resistance of a conductor? So the resistance of a conductor is low. Resistance of a conductor is low. It has low resistance, is low. Then what is electric power? The rate of consumption of electric energy. The rate of consumption of electric energy is called as electric power. Then write the 3 formulae. P is equal to V into I, 1. Second one, P is equal to I square R. Third one, P is equal to V square by R. So these are the 3 formulae. So by this we have successfully answered all the questions related to unit test paper number 4 of electricity of class 10 science. In the next video we are going to answer for the next paper. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So once again, thank you very much.